Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we'll be using Everything Essential, and this is a sweet little card we'll be making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are using Everything Essential, and we're going to be using this little jack-o'-lantern. And I have a piece of pumpkin pie, and I have our jack-o'-lantern mounted on a clear block C. I'm going to ink him up real good. Alright, so just like that, I'm going to come in with my punch. Alright, so just like that, use my little putty to move him around. Alright, so we can start putting this card together. I have a piece of the Tidings, plaid Tidings, and this is cut at 2.5 by 5, and then this is 3 3/4 by 5. I'm going to come in with my Stampin' Seal. Alright, and this is the one that we used on Monday, so just like that. Then I'm going to come in again with the Stampin' Seal. Are y'all loving this one? It was a bit of a learning curve, but I think I got it now. I'm going to come in with my Blackberry Bliss, and that's cut at 4 by 5 1/4. So just like that. I like it a lot more than when I first started. And then our card base is pumpkin pie, and it is cut at 8.5 by 5.5, and I scored it at 4 1/4. Alright, so just like that. Then I think we're going to pop him up with some Stampin' Dimensionals. Oops, got away from me. And this is a quick and simple card. I think I'm going to put him just like that. And I made a bow with the black glittered organdy ribbon. And I'm just going to come in with the glue dot and press that right there. So there you have it, a quick and simple Halloween card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!